This 2018 Jayco Eagle HT 30.5 MBOK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in South Weber, Utah, 84405 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 9, slide-out, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.